Powerful, efficient, and precise sewing solutions designed for beginners and professionals who want smooth stitching performance for every creative project. Best electric sewing machines deliver smooth stitching, reliable motor power, and versatile features for home crafting and professional garment-making projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Brother CS5055PRW Electric Sewing Machine. The Brother CS5055PRW Electric Sewing Machine is designed to deliver smooth, consistent stitching performance for both beginners and experienced users who want reliability in everyday sewing projects. It comes with 27 built-in stitches that include decorative, stretch, zigzag, and blind hem options, giving users enough flexibility to handle a wide variety of fabrics and designs. The automatic size buttonhole feature simplifies garment creation by producing clean, uniform buttonholes without manual adjustment, making it highly practical for clothing construction and home decor work. The automatic needle threader reduces eye strain and saves time by effortlessly guiding the thread through the needle, while the jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system ensures uninterrupted stitching with minimal thread tangling issues. Its free arm design is especially useful for sewing cylindrical items like sleeves, cuffs, and pant legs, allowing better control in tight areas. The machine also includes multiple accessories such as sewing feet, needles, bobbins, and a twin needle, which expands its usability right out of the box. One of its strongest advantages is its balance between simplicity and functionality, making it suitable for users who want professional-level results without dealing with overly complex controls.
Number 4. Brother XM3700 Electric Sewing Machine. The Brother XM3700 electric sewing machine is built for users who want a lightweight yet highly capable machine that can handle a wide range of sewing projects with ease. Featuring 37 built-in stitches, it offers more creative flexibility than basic models, including decorative stitches, blind hem options, zigzag patterns, and a one-step auto-size buttonhole function that ensures clean finishing for garments. The automatic needle threader is a major convenience feature, allowing users to thread the machine quickly without strain or frustration, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system helps maintain smooth operation even during longer sewing sessions. This model is particularly beginner-friendly, yet it still provides enough versatility for more advanced users working on detailed projects. It includes several essential accessories such as multiple sewing feet, needles, bobbins, and a protective accessory pouch, making it ready to use immediately after setup. The free arm design is especially helpful for sewing small or cylindrical items like sleeves, cuffs, and children's clothing, giving better control in tight stitching areas.
Number 3. Serger Metal Electric Sewing Machine. The Serger Metal Electric Sewing Machine is a powerful and performance-focused model designed for users who need strength, speed, and durability in their sewing work. Built with a reinforced metal frame and a strong motor, it's engineered to handle heavy-duty fabrics such as denim, canvas, and layered textiles without struggling. With 11 built-in stitches, offering up to 69 stitch applications, it provides enough versatility for both essential sewing tasks and creative decorative work. This makes it suitable for DIY projects, garment repairs, and home crafting with professional-level finishing. One of its standout features is the enhanced motor power, delivering significantly more strength than standard machines, allowing it to maintain stability even under thick fabric pressure. The high-speed stitching capability of up to 1,100 stitches per minute makes it an excellent choice for users who need fast production without sacrificing stitch quality. The machine's metal interior frame adds durability and reduces vibration, ensuring smoother operation during extended use. It is also designed with practicality in mind, offering straightforward controls that make it easier to switch between stitch types and adjust settings without confusion. The presser foot pressure adjustment improves fabric handling, ensuring consistent results across both lightweight and heavy materials. While it is more performance-oriented than beginner-focused models, it remains accessible for users willing to learn its functions.
Number 2. Brother SE600 Electric Sewing Machine. The SE600 electric sewing machine is a versatile sewing and embroidery combination machine designed for users who want both creative stitching and advanced design capabilities in one system. It features 80 built-in embroidery designs along with multiple font styles, allowing users to personalize garments, home decor, and craft projects with detailed customization. In addition to embroidery, it offers 103 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative, utility, and buttonhole styles, making it highly adaptable for a wide range of sewing tasks. The machine operates with a maximum sewing speed of 710 stitches per minute and an embroidery speed optimized for precision, ensuring balanced performance between speed and detail. One of its most user-friendly features is the large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen, which allows users to preview designs, select stitches, and adjust settings with clear visual guidance. This significantly reduces guesswork and improves accuracy during projects. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system help maintain a smooth workflow by minimizing setup time and reducing thread issues. Its 4x4-inch embroidery field provides a practical working area for most standard design projects, while the included hoop and embroidery arm enhance usability.
Number 1. Brother XM2701 Electric Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 electric sewing machine is a lightweight, beginner-friendly model designed for users who want simplicity without sacrificing essential functionality. It comes equipped with 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, blind hem, and stretch options, along with an auto-sized buttonhole feature that ensures clean and consistent garment finishing. This variety allows users to handle everyday sewing tasks as well as creative projects with confidence. The automatic needle threader makes setup quick and easy by guiding the thread through the needle effortlessly, reducing eye strain and saving time, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system ensures smooth and stable stitching performance. Its free arm design is especially useful for working on sleeves, cuffs, and other cylindrical fabric sections, providing better control in detailed areas. The machine includes several essential accessories such as multiple sewing feet, needles, bobbins, and a twin needle, making it ready for immediate use. One of its strongest advantages is its portability, as the lightweight body makes it easy to carry, store, or move between workspaces. Despite its compact design, it maintains reliable stitching quality across a variety of lightweight and medium fabrics, making it suitable for home repairs, alterations, and beginner crafting projects.
These machines combine speed, precision, and durability, making every sewing task easier and more enjoyable. From simple repairs to complex designs, they ensure consistent results and smooth operation. Whether you are a beginner or expert, they offer reliable performance that supports creativity and efficiency in every stitching project you take. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.